Your Punjabi accent is so sexy. Say it again. Hard launch.
Burra.
It's giving.
बहुत दिन है.
She said it's.
Hi, this is Pari. You're watching us on Yuva, and I'm here to talk to the team of one of the most loved shows that came out in 2023. But of course, अब उसका season 2 आने वाला है, which is Kohra season 2. Hi everybody, congratulations already.
Thank you.
कितना anticipation? Have you felt that anticipation over the last 3 years for a season 2 of this show?
It's such a long process, na?
हाँ.
That it's a. I mean, from the time you start writing to the time you shoot, और जब तक आप वो करते हो, post production होता है और ये आता है, it's almost like मेरे दिमाग में ये already आ गया है. So in my head it's already out. It's only that you guys are going to watch it now.
Correct. Makes sense.
That's the only difference.
Okay, I want to ask you, Varun, that this came out in 2023. What's one change that you saw in yourself as an actor, as a person, when you were filming for season 2?
I got lucky. The skill set, I had a skill set. And I can go out on a limb and say that. But no one was there to spot it. So when he spotted it, I got lucky. And I did what I had to do. It's not that I couldn't do it before. No one saw it. That's why I got lucky. Yeah.
Okay. Mona, this is, I think, मेरे को सबसे पहले तो आपको congratulate करना पड़ेगा for what a fab year
Thank
2025 has been for you. I mean, there was Mona Singh everywhere. So कितना special, like what, how special is this phase of your life right now?
It is like you just said. It's very very special. मेरे साल अभी first महीने में ही, you know, there are releases and then there's Kohra coming in February.
Mona is everywhere.
Yeah, she is.
And it is scary. It is scary.
Why?
It is scary because I feel I hope I'm not repeating myself. You know, it is a little scary. There are too many releases happening.
Between Kohra and which other show?
नहीं, but just, you know, people do look at some similarities. आजकल लोग भी तो कहाँ छोड़ते हैं ना? They get very critical.
Between Happy Patel and Kohra. ये तो same है.
नहीं, I feel very very happy. I'm celebrating it. I'm living the dream. You know, these are the things I always wanted
How
as an
cool is
actor.
that, man?
Yeah.
Really. So
Yeah.
I'm getting to live that and experience that. So my journey has been of constant learning and gratitude.
Yeah,
That's all
I
can
remember
say.
पहले वो चलता था जस्सी जैसी कोई नहीं. 2025 में it became मोना जैसी कोई नहीं. So it's just amazing.
Oh, thank
Yeah, I
you.
mean,
Thank you,
I don't know if
Pari.
you've seen that. It just was circulating. But you have also joined hands, you know, with this fab team. Faisal, मुझे बताओ कि what's been the best part, you know, about working for this show? Like something that you feel will always stay with you.
This is my third show with Sudeep sir. I've done 2 seasons of Patalok with him.
Yes.
And it's a very humbling experience actually. For the way in which things are brought together, for the way in which sir leads the show, and the kind of space all of us in the crew and in the cast get to express ourselves. It's really precious. And a lot of that is also dictated by आप एक सेट पे एक माहौल बनाते हो और आपका काम वही है. Varun Paji just, you know, mentioned about how
Got
you
lucky.
know he got lucky and there was nobody spotting him. मेरे को बस बोलने का मन किया, copy paste for me.
Acha, why do you say that?
Because I've been assisting for a very long time. I remember the first time I was as an assistant director was in 2005. And so yeah, it's been a long while. And then I was an assistant on Patal Lok, and then, you know,
Things changed.
somebody sees you and says, "Yeah, ठीक है."
Yeah.
So I'm exactly feeling what he's feeling.
How amazing. But मैं कभी-कभी सोचती हूँ that, you know, what does it take to keep at it for so many years?
Only this one thing has got to do with कि अब तो करना ही है भाई.
I think it's लगे रहो.
लगे रहो.
लगे रहो.
Correct.
आपका टाइम आएगा.
हाँ.
You know, आएगा.
बाकी दरवाजे बंद हो चुके हैं.
Yeah.
बस यही है. There's no plan B.
और पता आता नहीं है कुछ और करना है. तो लगे हुए हैं.
Okay, I have two fun segments for all of you because इस show में there are lots of truths and lies. So this is a segment called Truth or Lie.
Okay.
मैं आपको कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स देने वाली हूँ एंड आपको मुझे बताना है आपके हिसाब से वो सच है या झूठ है. ओके, फर्स्ट वन, ऑल एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स यानी एवरीवन गूगल्स देमसेल्व्स.
True.
इज इट ट्रू?
True.
ट्रू. कभी आपने अपने आप को गूगल किया एंड ऐसा कुछ आपने पढ़ा एंड यू वर लाइक ये तो सच है भी नहीं मेरे बारे में, व्हाट इज दिस?
मेरे बारे में लिखा हुआ that I'm from चंडीगढ़. I'm
अच्छा.
not.
हाँ.
फिर मेरे बारे में एक बार ये भी लिखा हुआ था, लिखा नहीं था, there was a video on YouTube सर, मुझे मार दिया था. मोना सिंह is dead.
हाँ,
मोना
ये-
सिंह is
ये-
dead.
कभी मैंने कहीं तो देखा था ऐसा
हाँ.
randomly pop up हुआ
Yes,
था.
yes.
कब की बात है ये?
I think 4-5 years. Yeah. And my parents
Such
were
a
getting
young age.
frantic calls. Such a young age. Kyo, we just read, is she okay? What's going on? You know, condolences. I was like, what? So ये हुआ है.
Oh no. Next one. They say an actor is as good as the director. ये सच है या झूठ? Truth or lie?
No, acting and directing are two very, very different jobs.
No, but true. But true. You know.
How?
कैसे?
ऐसे इन खराब कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
अच्छा, like that.
मतलब as a director with a great actor, all you have to know is get out of the way. You know, but if you don't, then you can screw that up.
Okay.
You can
True then.
even a great actor.
No,
You
but
can,
my
sometimes you watch some great actors in really bad films, and their performances are
That's what I'm saying.
terrible,
That's
right?
what I'm. No. But also at the same time, those people are still great actors in bad films also.
No, but there were very
अपने
few.
level से नीचे आए हैं.
There were very few who could.
But I
survive
hear what
that.
you're saying, huh?
Otherwise, it's बहुत मुश्किल.
It's
है.
true. It's
बहुत
true.
मुश्किल
हाँ.
है.
It's true. Okay. एक
And
बार
vice versa also.
Vice versa also.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
वो भी उतना ही वर्क करता है. With a terrible actor, आप जितने भी अच्छे
पर फिर तो
कुछ नहीं
घर चले
करते.
जाओ. फिर तो वो direct
घर चले जाओ.
क्यों किया?
हाँ?
हायर ही क्यों किया फिर?
बट होता है ना कभी हायर
करना
करना
पड़
पड़ता
जाता
है,
है.
करना पड़ जाता है
करना
कि
पड़
ये
जाता है.
Okay.
आया है कहीं से.
Okay, next one. एक बार फेमस हो जाओ तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही अपॉर्चुनिटीज.
बकवास है.
नहीं, not true. Not true.
That's not true. at all.
You're as good as your last hit or failure.
True.
Actually a good thing. It's a good, way to tell the generation that's coming and that's
Yes.
going to form our world. You have to keep at it. You have to keep working hard. You can't be just like riding on the success of one fluke.
या कि एक प्रोजेक्ट हिट हो गया बस अब तो
It's not permanent.
permanent.
See, a lot of this social media fame is also very transitory. ये आज आपके लोगों ने 10 मिलियन व्यूज देखे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कल भी देखेंगे, कल वो किसी और को देख रहे होंगे.
और दूसरी बात ये भी
Somebody
नहीं है
else
कि वो
will be
आप
the-
अगर किसी शो में कास्ट हो जाओगे तो आपका शो देखेंगे.
Right.
ऐसा भी नहीं है.
Right. So fame is it can be deceptive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one. Your friend circle becomes smaller as you grow older.
True.
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 कितनी लंबी सांस ली है फैसल.
True.
It's like
You become alone.
I'm going to contradict this. No, actually. I've actually found a lot of friends after growing up to be like 38, 39 and good friends, like a bunch of you guys. And, a couple of more places. So, it depends, what your limitations are.
But I also agree that मतलब as you grow older थोड़ा मुश्किल भी
It
हो
gets
जाता
a
है
little more
कि-
difficult to make
difficult to
friends.
make
Yeah.
new friends.
Yeah.
It gets difficult. Okay. Next one. Friendship breakups hurt more than romantic breakups. True. Or lie.
Acha, okay. I've had neither, so I don't know.
No.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, man, he's lucked
Luck.
out. No.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Heartbreaks are painful, man. They don't leave you.
आपकी क्या राय है?
It really depends on how it transpired. I think वो कितना bitter,
हाँ.
चाहे दोस्ती का टूटना भी हो, चाहे romantic relationship भी हो, how bitter the whole thing
Yeah.
went away. Then it can really, it's one of those, if it's one of those things,
हाँ,
those
then it's
breakups,
bad.
then it can,
हाँ.
then it is really bad.
Yeah. Rejections stop affecting you after a point.
No.
Truth or lie?
Lie.
They still affect.
Lie. They
Yeah,
do
yeah.
affect.
They do.
They do, of course.
Abhi
We are humans, yeah. Rejection
do.
is never easy.
It's a very personal
Yeah.
business, you know.
You put yourself out
as an actor,
there.
you're putting yourself out there.
Yeah.
You know, even as a writer, there's so much of you.
Yeah.
As a filmmaker, there's so much of you in that thing that you're making, or in that thing that you're writing, or you're performing. That rejection kind of feels personal. You know, as you grow older and as you do more and more of that work, you learn to handle that. You know, you learn to say, okay, you know, theek hai, maybe next time, maybe this is what I learned from it, but it hurts.
It's not just a personal rejection, you know. It's not कि आपने audition दिया आप reject हो गए. It's not just that. It is also the outcome of a project, of a show, of a series which is not well received, or, you know, not done too well. Even that hurts because you put your heart and soul, you know, in a project or anything in life that you do creatively, where you're so involved. And as an actor, you put yourself out there, like Sir said. And the rejection really hits you. It hits you hard. But like, you know, life teaches you to be mature and toughen up. तो वो फिर इतना दर्द नहीं होता है, but दर्द तो होता है. रोती तो हूँ मैं. Yeah, I do.
Okay. And last one. Kohara 2 will be darker with more twists. This is something that I read online, so I'm just exactly quoting what I read. Kohara 2 will be darker with more twists. Truth or lie?
Darker with respect to the fact, I mean, the whole arc of the show. But dark, far more emotional. It's far more funnier. And it talks about...
And more mature, I would say.
More mature with respect to the relationships and the theme. And it talks about a very, very surprising thing eventually.
Okay, all right. So we are going to wind up, and this is again a very fun segment. It's called Your Punjabi Accent is So Sexy. Say it again.
I can't participate in this.
तो मैं आपको कुछ phrases देने वाली हूँ. You know, phrases that are very like popular phrases on the internet right now, used a lot by the Gen Zs. ठीक है? और आपको उसका मुझे पंजाबी equivalent बताना है अपने अंदाज में, अपने हिसाब से. Okay. The first one is, she ate and left no crumbs.
खा गई कुछ नहीं छड़िया.
Nice. Okay, next one. Bro is cooked.
Viredi lag gayi.
You're so gentle about it.
I love it. Okay, next one. Delulu is the only Solulu.
Oh my God.
What's Solulu?
मतलब delusion is the only solution, ना?
Yeah.
Delulu is the only solution.
अरे
खोते
this
सर
is
तो सिंग नहीं होता.
पंजाबी.
इसको explain थोड़ा हिंदी में भी.
गधों के सर पे सिंग नहीं होता.
अच्छा.
मतलब you see a gada, you figure out.
Okay.
Delulu is the only solution.
Delulu is the only Solulu. Okay. It's giving.
बहुत गंदा है.
She said it's.
It's giving का मतलब क्या होता है?
It's giving क्या
What
होता
does
है?
it mean?
It's giving matlab it's used like a short form for a vibe or a mood that something is giving. Like
Okay.
what Mona is wearing today is giving main character energy. वैसा it's called. It's giving. But we've got the answer. I think I can't beat that.
हाँ, है जिंदा है.
Okay, next one. We listen and we don't judge.
यार अब ये सारे
Sir, ये
ऑफेंसिव
तो
आ रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में.
बोल दो. चलो. Sanuki.
I love it, Sanuki. हाँ.
Sanuki. Okay. Next one. This is sending me.
ये होता क्या है ये पहले तो ये बताओ.
Matlab, it's like it's so funny and it's so either funny or shocking or ridiculous that I just can't deal with it. Like this is sending me.
मेरा टिड पीड़ हो गई. My stomach
is hurting.
starts to hurt. मेरे टिड पीड़ हो गई. Ted is stomach.
अच्छा तो टिड पीड़.
पीड़ is pain.
Oh तो
हंस के पेट में दर्द हो गई.
अच्छा तो टिड पीड़ हो गई.
टिड पीड़ हो गई.
Wow यार. मस्त है पंजाबी. Okay, soft launch.
सारे नहीं दसना.
सारे नहीं. कोरा छा गया.
2 more. Hard launch. Hard launch is एकदम ऐसे शोर शराबे से सबको बता कर.
The best one.
And last one. You go girl.
तू जा कुड़िए.
ये तो ट्रांसलेट कर रहे
ये
हो.
तो मैं ट्रांसलेट कर रही हूँ. You go girl. Chak de fatte.
No.
Chak de
Chak de
fatte.
fatte is,
Yeah.
is. So I think this should be the go-to slogan for Quora too. Also, I want to tell all of you, Chak de fatte.
Chak de fatte.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to me, and congratulations. Can't
Thank
wait to
you.
watch Quora 2 on Netflix.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Pari.